So good morning, children. This is Vedugopal for Little Hearts Publications with English Book 2, Lesson 2, Meenu Goes to School. We talked about Meenu in the first lesson. I am Meenu. In that lesson, we saw she introduces herself, then her mother, her father, and then her sister. She also talks about or tells us her father's name, her mother's name, her sister's name, and also what they do, what work his parents do, and what his sister is doing. Okay? Now, Meenu goes to school in the second lesson. Before we go into the details of the lesson, let me ask you these questions. Let me ask you these questions. What are the questions given there? Suppose these questions are asked to you. When do you get up every day? Children, when do you get up every day? How do you answer that question? I get up at 5 a.m. every day. Or I get up at 6 o'clock every day. At 6 o'clock in the morning. Like that we can give different answers. What answer you can give? When do you get up? I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, at 6 o'clock in the morning, whatever it is, you have to write. Second question is, what do you do after getting up from bed? Generally, children, what do you do after getting up from bed, after getting up from sleep? Yes, you brush your teeth. So what do? I brush my teeth after I get up from bed. That's how you write the answer for that question. You answer this question. I brush my teeth after I get up or after getting up from bed. Next question you see, when do you take breakfast? Generally before going to school you take breakfast. What do you mean by breakfast? The morning meal or the tiffin that you take after the night you will have dinner till next morning 8 o'clock. Sometimes some people take breakfast at 7 o'clock, some people take at 7:30, some people take at 8 o'clock in the morning, and some people take at 8:30. It all depends on the availability of time. What do you take? When do you take breakfast? You have to write, I take breakfast. You have to answer like this. I take breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning. When do you go to school? Of course, after taking breakfast at 8:30 or 9 o'clock or 9:30, you say, I go to school at 9:30 a.m. I go to school at 9 o'clock in the morning. Like that you have to answer. What do you do at school? After going to school, what do you do, children, there? You go and sit in your classrooms and then you start listening to your teacher. Your teacher starts teaching lessons. You will be writing them the things there in your books. All these things you do at your school. That means we learn to study, we learn to read, we learn to write, and we learn many other things there in the school from our teachers. Last question, when do you return from the school? Obviously, when the school gets over, when the scheduled time of the school is over, you will return from the school by bus, or sometimes your parents take you back home by car, by bike. But when do you return? When do you return means come back. When do you come back from the school? You have to write, I return from the school at 3:30 p.m. or at 4 p.m. like that. So in the same way, Meenu also goes to school just like you people. What does Meenu do during the day? We will be going through in this lesson. Just like you answer this, when do you get up every day? You already answered this question, I get up at. But here, Meenu gets up at 6 o'clock every day. At what time does Meenu get up? At 6 o'clock in the morning. She brushes her teeth and drinks a glass of milk. So what does she do after getting up? Just like you, she also brushes her teeth and then she drinks a glass of milk. It is now 8 o'clock. Look at the time. It's now 8 o'clock. Now Meenu gets ready to go to school. As the clock strikes 8 o'clock, Meenu starts getting ready to go to school. So before that, she takes her breakfast. Meenu takes her breakfast. Then she wears her school uniform and goes to school at 8:30 a.m. After taking breakfast, she wears her school uniform and the school shoes and goes to school at 8:30 a.m. Then Meenu comes back from school at 4 o'clock. In the evening, 4 o'clock, Meenu comes back or returns from the school. She washes her face and drinks a glass of milk. Morning also she drinks a glass of milk. After coming back from the school in the afternoon at 4 o'clock, she washes her face with cold water and then drinks a glass of milk. Do you also, children, drink a glass of milk both in the morning and the evening after coming back from the school? Do you take milk? Yes, good. Milk is good for health. Now she goes out to play with her friends. After taking a glass of milk, after drinking a glass of milk, Meenu goes out to the ground to play with her friends. It is 6:30 p.m. That means she plays till 6:30. She comes back home from the ground. Meenu sits at her table and does her homework. Then what does Meenu do after coming back at 6:30 from the ground? She sits at her table and completes her homework. Now it is 7:30 p.m. now. She takes her dinner. 7:30 p.m. Dinner means night meal. Then she watches television for some time. Do you also watch television for some time in the night, children? Throughout the night. Then she watches the television for some time. We should watch only for some time. If we watch television for longer hours, our eyesight will get affected. So don't watch TV too much. It is 8:30 p.m. now. Meenu goes to bed. She goes to sleep at 8:30 p.m. So children, let me read the lesson once again so that you can clearly understand the daily routine of Meenu. Meenu gets up at 6 o'clock every day. She brushes her teeth and drinks a glass of milk. It is now 8 o'clock. Now Meenu gets ready to go to school. Meenu takes her breakfast. She wears her school uniform and goes to school at 8:30 a.m. Meenu comes back from school at 4 o'clock. She washes her face and drinks a glass of milk. Now she goes out to play with her friends. It is 6:30 p.m. Meenu sits at her table and does her homework. It is 7:30 p.m. now. She takes her dinner. Then she watches television for some time. It is 8:30 p.m. now. Meenu goes to bed. So you have seen some words like this. The usage, the difference between using I or using he or she. You came across in this particular lesson, children. When you are asked a question, when do you get up? You are writing like this, I get up. Like this you are writing, right? When it comes to she, Meenu is third person, she. Meenu gets up at 6 o'clock every day. See, look at this. Gets up, get up. So, this is the difference you have to understand. When he or she or any other third person he is used as a subject in a sentence, you have to add s or es to that verb. See, in the same way, I drink milk. He or she drinks milk. See, S is added here. I go to school. But here we write she goes to school. See the children difference there. When he or she is used, then we add s or es to the verb, whereas when you use I, you will not add anything there. I get up, Meenu gets up. I drink milk, she drinks milk. I go to school, she goes to school. I come back from school. Meenu, she comes back. She comes back. See the difference there in the usage. Throughout the lesson, you have to identify this kind of ways of writing. When it is I, we write like this. When it is he or she, we have to add s or es to the verb as it is given here. Okay, children, this is what we have to learn, the difference between the way we express the sentences, we write the sentences. The verb forms change when he or she is used there in the sentence. When I is used there, it is a different way of writing in the verb form. Look at this is the verb. And again, when it is he or she, the verb forms change like this. Okay, children. Now, let us discuss in the summative assessment. There are some exercises. Questions and answers are given. Questions are given there. We have tried answers for that. Questions are given here. At what time does Meenu get up? See the way of asking the question there. At what time does Meenu get up? How do you write the answer there? As I told you earlier, children, Meenu gets up at 6 o'clock. You can see that there. Number 2. When does Meenu go to school? When indicates time. When does Meenu go to school? We write the answer. Meenu goes to school at 8:30 a.m. Question number 3. When does Meenu come back from school? Meenu comes back from school at 4 o'clock or 4 p.m. At what time does Meenu go to bed? Meenu goes to bed at 8:30 p.m. So like this we have tried answers for different questions. Now fill in the blanks with the correct words given below. For the next, Meenu dash her teeth. Meenu brushes her teeth or drinks her teeth? Brushes, right, good. Meenu takes her dash before going to school. Breakfast or dinner? Before going to school means in the morning session. Morning meal is called breakfast. Meenu comes back from school or comes back from home at 4 o'clock. Comes back from school. Meenu does her homework in the evening, not morning. Now read the following words. Brushes, drinks, breakfast, uniform, washes, plays, homework, dinner. Okay, let us see. Now complete the following sentences with the words given above. Meenu dash with her friends in the evening. Plays. First one is plays. Meenu plays with her friends in the evening. She dash milk. She drinks milk. The food we take in the morning is called breakfast. The school children wear uniform to the school. What do you wear to the school? Uniform. He dashes his teeth twice in a day. He brushes his teeth twice in a day. She dashes her face with cold water after getting up from sleep. She washes her face. I do dash after playing with my friends in the evening. I do homework after playing with my friends in the evening. The meal that we take in the night is called dinner. Right? The night meal is called dinner. Right. Now spelling. Fill in the blanks with the missing letters. Look at this. What are the missing letters here? O. Do you know the spelling of school, children? Right. Breakfast. E-A. Here A again. Breakfast. Learn the spelling thoroughly. Uniform. That is how we have to write the words and learn the spellings. Friends. Television. You know the spelling of television, children? Television. Television. Now, grammar, language in use. We discussed it already. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the words given in the brackets. I dash to school at 8:30 a.m. Go or goes? What is correct, children? Go, because it is I. It changes, the verb changes its form only when he or she is used there. Meenu dash her breakfast at 8 o'clock. Meenu is third person singular number, not I. So you write eats there. I dash my teeth twice a day. Brush, not brushes, because I is used there. Meenu brushes her teeth twice a day. Brushes we have to write here. I dash drink coffee. Drink only we have to write because I is used there. Meenu drinks milk because Meenu is third person singular. Now look at the pronunciation. Look at the following words from the lesson. Observe the underlined part carefully. Teeth, double E, two letters, double letter words. Glass, school, goes, drinks, friends, takes, watches. You have to just learn the pronunciation of these words. In the writing skills, write your daily routine or what you do in a day from the time you get up to the time you go to bed. So, in the writing, you have to write your daily routine. From the time you get up till you go to bed in the night, what you will do, you have to write. That is, whatever you do, that is called your daily routine. You have to write your daily routine, and the beginning also is given there. I get up at 6 o'clock, I brush my teeth, I drink milk, then I get ready to go to school, I take breakfast. Like that we have to write in an order what we do, what you do from morning till you go to bed in the night. Okay children, with that we come to the end of this lesson. I will be taking up the third lesson, going to the zoo, in the next class. Thank you.